Ever wanted to use your PayPal funds to buy Beam? Or perhaps you're wondering if you can withdraw your Beam earnings directly to your PayPal account? You're not alone. Many people are curious about the intersection of these two popular platforms. So, let's dive in and find out, does Beam Wallet support PayPal? Firstly, it's crucial to understand what Beam Wallet actually is. Beam Wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet designed for the Beam cryptocurrency. Beam is a privacy coin, meaning it prioritizes user anonymity and financial privacy. It utilizes a technology called Mimblewimble, which makes transactions more private and efficient. Now, back to the main question, does Beam Wallet directly support PayPal? The simple answer is no. Direct PayPal integration, Beam Wallet does not have a built-in feature to directly deposit or withdraw funds using PayPal. Why? This is likely due to Beam's focus on privacy. PayPal, while a popular payment processor, doesn't prioritize the same level of privacy as Beam. Limitations: this lack of direct integration means you can't simply link your PayPal account to your Beam wallet and transfer funds seamlessly. However, there are still ways to potentially use PayPal with Beam, albeit indirectly. Exchange platforms. Many cryptocurrency exchanges support both PayPal and Beam. You could potentially deposit funds into the exchange using PayPal. Use those funds to purchase Beam. Withdraw your Beam to your Beam wallet. Important note: always research and choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange with strong security measures. Peer-to-peer trading. You might find individuals willing to trade PayPal funds for Beam on peer-to-peer platforms or within cryptocurrency communities. Caution: proceed with extreme caution when engaging in peer-to-peer trading. Verify the other party's identity and transaction history thoroughly to minimize risks. Third-party services. Some third-party services may facilitate exchanges between PayPal and cryptocurrencies, including Beam. Due diligence: research these services carefully. Understand their fees, security protocols, and user reviews before using them. It's important to note that these indirect methods may involve additional fees, longer processing times, and potential security risks. Always prioritize security and conduct thorough research before engaging in any cryptocurrency transactions. Beam Wallet does not directly support PayPal transactions. While there are some indirect methods to potentially use PayPal with Beam, they often involve additional steps and considerations. As always, exercise caution and prioritize your financial security when dealing with cryptocurrencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.